Welcome to this video on optimizing your iPhone's battery. We will cover a series of system settings you can adjust to improve your device's efficiency. First, consider disabling background app refresh. This prevents apps from using data in the background, which can help save battery life. Next, review your location services. Managing these settings stops unnecessary background GPS activity. For specific apps, try shifting location access to while using. This restricts continuous background tracking. You can also disable product improvement settings to halt unnecessary background diagnostic activity. To reduce battery drain from email, access your mail settings to adjust how your device polls servers. Turning off push for your mail accounts stops your phone from constantly checking for new messages. Setting your fetch schedule to manual ensures that mail updates only occur when you actively open the app. Optimizing your display can also help. Access your display settings to manage brightness. Enable auto brightness to allow your iPhone to adjust the screen intensity based on ambient lighting conditions. Turning off app tracking prevents cross-app background data requests, which can preserve resources. Disabling device analytics is another way to stop the transmission of diagnostic data that consumes battery. Check your battery health and charging settings to see your current maximum capacity and monitor long-term degradation. Enable adaptive power mode, which helps the system intelligently regulate performance based on your daily usage. Finally, you can limit your maximum charge to 80% to help reduce long-term wear on your battery's lithium-ion cells.